The national housing market has had its ups and downs, but some cities are really laying the groundwork for explosive growth in the years ahead. With increasing demand, improving infrastructure, job market expansions, and favorable affordability metrics today, these places might soon be out of reach. If you're looking to invest, relocate, or just keep tabs on where the smart money is going, this list will give you a glimpse into the future hotspots. Welcome back to The Globe with Griffin. Today, we're diving into the top 10 cities you'll wish you bought a house in during 2025. Starting off at number 10, we have Columbus, Ohio. Columbus is quietly becoming one of the most promising cities in the Midwest. Anchored by Ohio State University and a growing tech and healthcare sector, Columbus is attracting young professionals and families at a fast pace. Home prices here are still relatively affordable compared to national averages, but that won't last long. Intel's $20 billion investment in a semiconductor plant outside the city is expected to supercharge the local economy. New jobs, new residents, and rising demand could mean that homes bought in 2025 will look like absolute bargains just a few years later. Long-term appreciation potential in Columbus is strong, and more investors are beginning to take notice. The city is also expanding public transit and walkability downtown, making it even more appealing for future residents. At number 9 is Tampa, Florida. Tampa has been booming in recent years thanks to its waterfront appeal, strong job growth, and growing appeal among remote workers and retirees. As Miami becomes increasingly unaffordable, Tampa offers many of the same perks: beaches, culture, and sunshine, all at a fraction of the price. The city is investing heavily in new housing, transit, and public spaces. With a relatively business-friendly environment and no state income tax, Tampa is positioned to keep attracting both residents and investors alike. A house bought here in 2025 could yield significant appreciation by the end of the decade. Not only that, Tampa's rental market is thriving thanks to an influx of seasonal residents and digital nomads, giving investors both short and long-term opportunities. Coming in at number 8 is Raleigh, North Carolina. Raleigh is part of the Research Triangle, one of the fastest-growing tech and innovation hubs in the U.S. It combines a strong university presence with a business climate that continues to attract new companies. The population is young, educated, and steadily growing. In 2025, home prices may still be manageable, but that window is closing. With infrastructure improvements and high-paying job growth, real estate in Raleigh is quickly becoming a hot commodity. Buying here now could be like catching Austin or Seattle a decade ago. The city is also known for its excellent schools and suburban charm, which means families will continue to flock to the area. Number 7 is Salt Lake City, Utah. Salt Lake City is one of the most underrated growth cities in the U.S. With a booming tech sector often called the Silicon Slopes, low unemployment, and a high quality of life, the city has been climbing the ranks for years. Its outdoor lifestyle and family-friendly vibe are major draws, and the real estate market has shown consistent upward momentum. As housing inventory tightens and demand rises, homes bought in 2025 could become increasingly valuable. Investors and first-time buyers alike should keep their eye on this one. With expansion of transit options and tech campuses popping up on the city's outskirts, Salt Lake is shaping up to be a future economic powerhouse. At number 6, we head to Indianapolis, Indiana. Indianapolis often flies under the radar, but that's exactly what makes it such a compelling opportunity. It offers affordable real estate, a revitalizing downtown, and a diverse economy anchored by healthcare, sports, and logistics. The city is undergoing major infrastructure upgrades and attracting out-of-state investors seeking high rental yields. With a low cost of living and growing demand for single-family homes, Indy in 2025 could be a goldmine for smart buyers. Recent developments in areas like Fountain Square and Broad Ripple are making the city more attractive to young professionals and creatives, helping fuel appreciation. Number 5 takes us to Jacksonville, Florida. Jacksonville is Florida's largest city by land area, and it's using that space to grow fast. With major investments in infrastructure, the port economy, and residential development, Jacksonville is on an upward trajectory. It combines beach access, an expanding job market, and relatively affordable homes, a rare trio in the Sunshine State. As South Florida prices soar, cities like Jacksonville become increasingly attractive. Buying a home here in 2025 might look like one of the best long-term plays in the state. Plus, its robust rental market is gaining traction with both tourists and remote workers, giving buyers plenty of options. Landing at number 4 is San Antonio, Texas. San Antonio has long been overshadowed by Austin and Dallas, but it's starting to shine in its own right. With a diverse economy, historic charm, and one of the lowest costs of living in Texas, San Antonio offers both quality of life and investment upside. The city is seeing new tech jobs, military expansions, and urban renewal projects. As affordability disappears in nearby Austin, buyers are looking to San Antonio for a better deal. Property values here are likely to climb significantly in the next few years, making 2025 a smart entry point. Neighborhoods like Pearl District and Southtown are already transforming into walkable, vibrant hubs of activity. Coming in at number 3 is Charlotte, North Carolina. Charlotte is booming. It's a financial powerhouse, home to Bank of America and other major institutions, and it's quickly becoming a magnet for startups as well. With a growing population, strong job market, and major infrastructure projects in motion, Charlotte is building toward a high-demand future. In 2025, there's still time to get in at reasonable prices, but competition is heating up. Early buyers may be sitting on major equity gains just a few years down the line. The expansion of the light rail system and focus on mixed-use developments are further cementing its appeal. Number 2 brings us to Phoenix, Arizona. Phoenix is no stranger to real estate growth, but it's evolving beyond its reputation as just a retirement haven. With massive migration from California, a growing tech scene, and relatively low taxes, Phoenix continues to expand. The city is investing in water sustainability, transportation, and new housing. Despite recent market corrections, long-term fundamentals remain strong. Buying a home in Phoenix in 2025 could mean locking in a property before the next wave of growth and price appreciation. New master-planned communities on the city's outskirts and improved highways are helping support the next phase of its expansion. And finally, number 1 on our list is Dallas, Texas. Dallas is the total package. It's one of the fastest-growing metro areas in the country, with strong job growth, major company relocations, and a booming housing market. The city has become a hub for finance, tech, and healthcare, and people are moving here in droves. Despite its growth, Dallas still offers housing prices that are reasonable compared to cities like San Francisco, New York, or even Austin. By 2030, homes bought in Dallas in 2025 could see incredible returns in both equity and rental income. If there's one city you'll wish you bought into, this is it. Massive suburban development in areas like Frisco, McKinney, and Salina are creating new opportunities for buyers willing to look just outside the core. So what's the bottom line? While no one has a crystal ball, all signs point to these cities being major winners in the coming years. Whether you're a first-time buyer, investor, or just dreaming about the future, keep an eye on these markets. The smartest real estate moves are often made before the headlines hit. Don't miss your chance to say you bought in before it was cool. Let us know in the comments there, are you eyeing any of these cities? Would you consider relocating or investing in one of them? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more city breakdowns, real estate insights, and housing market trends. Thanks for watching The Globe with Griffin. Stay sharp, stay ahead, and we'll see you next time.